Good morning, what's up, what's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. You're now watching I Stay Joshin'. Damn, I hit that high note, I killed that. Look y'all, yes, I'm in uniform. I'm in the process of getting stuff done at work. My car is extremely too loud. There is the state has gone crazy with these ordinance stuff. And now my base, military installation, are now following the ordinance policy. So guess what? We putting back on the muffler today, y'all. We're getting that muffler turned back on. Sorry I sound stuffy. I feel super sick. Don't worry, COVID test yesterday, COVID test today, had a headache, took Excedrin, feel better, just stuffiness. It'll be gone. I just need that gym life back into my life and I will feel better. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go take the fat boy out real quick and then I will be back. I'll see y'all in a little bit. It's gonna be quieter, yes, but it'll be controlled. I could turn it off, turn it on, turn it how I want to. Sport mode, tour mode, track mode, all those different modes, and I think it'll be good in all aspects if I wanna be quiet and turn it down if I'm in a neighborhood coming home at 1 in the morning or whatever the case may be. But I'll hush up. Let's go ahead and get into the intro. I love y'all. I miss y'all. Please like, subscribe, grow this channel. Help me, help myself, help us. I'll make the content. You watch the content. All I need you to do is hit that like button. I love y'all. I respect y'all. Let's get this day started, baby. Peace.
Fuck Cinderella. Fuck Beauty and the Beast. Fuck all they made me believe. Life ain't no fairy tale, life ain't no Adam and Eve. There ain't no soulmates. There ain't no one person out there that's for you. That's stupid as fuck, mate.
I feel so shitty. I took, fuck, what the hell did I take? I took some Mucinex 600 milligrams. It's 12-hour tablets, but it's not giving me what I need. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that Robitussin. This isn't the real one though, man. All these fake off-brand damn. This is it. Robitussin maximum strength cough and chest congestion. I don't have cough and chest, and this bottle is empty. All right, so that's what I get for mixing stuff up. I'm gonna be taking a Mucinex Relief maximum strength. Mucus release, cough suppression, nasal decongestion. This is like the worst part about being sick is actually having to take medication. Like, it's disgusting. Disgusting. But you want to feel better, you gotta feel better. So when in doubt, drink it out. You know what I'm saying? No? Y'all don't know what I'm saying? Hey kids, don't do drugs. Make sure that you are over the age of 18 when purchasing it. Duh, because they're gonna check your ID. And make sure if you're taking maximum strength cough and chest decongestion, DM, that you are, and it, DM, is that daytime? No, bro, I'm dumb. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's for dextromethorphan. All right, whatever the hell that is. Let's go. Cheers. Your daughter is a lie. Sorry about that. That took long enough. Whew. Boy, I am so stuffy. It makes no sense. Now, being congested, not being able to breathe is like the worst thing ever. I rather, like, I don't know, have a lot more issues than what I'm having. Oh, close the garage so I'm not too much of an asshole. But yeah, man, I hope y'all are doing good. I hope your days are blessed. I hope you guys are enjoying life, full of life. I hope today, see, all that noise, gotta go. All that noise got to go. You know what I'm saying? What if I wanna sneak up on somebody? I can't have all that noise, man. But we're gonna go to the garage, my second garage, and grab the exhaust that we cut off, the MPP stock ZL1 exhaust, which is a good exhaust. It's pretty heavy, so we're adding some more weight, but that's fine until I get my Corsa exhaust, Corsa catback stuff that I want. We're gonna throw those back on that has the active working valves like I told you guys earlier. So you know, that's just the right way, especially like I said, the way things are going. The baby's already fast, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna make her faster with this ported throttle body, ported Kong upper cooler not intake, oh my god, ported throttle body, ported supercharger. Those are the next things in line, you know what I'm saying? So if I hit something, I hit something, fuck it. But that's what's next in line. That's what we're gonna do. So you either add weight and slow down. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, we either add weight and slow down, or we just freaking add a little bit of weight but add more power, keep that same kind of thing, or we just make it faster. Look, there's a lot of ways to go about this, you know what I'm saying? You make your car lighter, which will make it faster, or you just add some damn horsepower to it, okay? And we already know when it comes to these American muscle cars, these things are freaking heavy. That's why they call the damn Hellcats boats. They're big. They're big. I had a friend yesterday call me talking about what car is louder, what sounds better, a Hemi or LS. I said, of course, a LS, LT. They're always going to sound better. And we had an argument about it, a little discussion. But the way I explained is, do you ever see Hemi swapped cars, or do you see LS swap Miatas, vans, LS swap Lamborghinis? Like, our engine swaps are in everything, and there's a reason why. It sounds better, it rides better, it looks better, it does better, it's better than better, it is great. You feel me? So let me jump off of Chevy's little wee-wee though. I'm not gonna sit here, and they're not paying me for all this promotion. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Like I said, we're gonna throw this exhaust in the trunk if it fits, go downtown, get this put on, head into work, get some more stuff done. Peace. I haven't been in this garage in a minute, but here it goes. The full, oh my god, the full exhaust system. I'm gonna have to put this down, y'all, because this baby is not light at all. Shit. Woo. It's a big girl. Can't believe I'm putting this all the way back on. I had to put the back seat down to get it in, but oh shit, I never closed the garage. I'm losing my damn mind. Okay. Whew. Yeah. I had to put the seat down a little to make it fit, but we are in there like swimwear. So let's go to the shop. Hopefully the guy remembers me. Let's see. Message. Boom. All right, so it's called A+ Mufflers. That's the name of the place. A+ Mufflers. Dude came in clutch last time, so I'm gonna put that in the map.
A few moments later.
All right, I am pulling up to this place real quick to get my exhaust put back on. Long story short, this guy cannot help me at all. He told me he was already closed for the day. We found a new shop. Let's get it started.
Johnny, sober minds. Yeah. Listen, look, I don't take no fucking Percocets, Molly Percocets, no ecstasy, promethazine, no lean, no purple mess, no dirty Sprite, but bitch, I got that Kyrie Irving step. If you don't think that I'm the shit, it's just cause you ain't heard me yet. I'm about to put my mask on, Sick all these industry niggas up until they catch Zl1. I know you wasn't expecting this shit, but you asked for it. I'm about to grab niggas by the throat. I'm about to crash Lil Yachty boat. I'm about to drag niggas by the coat. Take out your trash, sit it by the door. Shit, I got the man.
Still sounds good. I'm out right now. Yo, she sounds beautiful, y'all. Way, 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 way better. Hell yeah. Give me a little red. Alright, I know I owe y'all a lot of answers, so we got it. Y'all seen the clip, y'all heard it. She still sounds good when you're on her. It's just a little quiet at this point. Look, I feel even worse. I'm gonna go to the office, get a little bit of work done, and then I'm out. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely out. I can't believe I'm sick. I can't believe I'm not feeling good, man. But it is what it is. I gotta take care of me, right? So always make sure you take care of yourself, put yourself first. Because any organization, anything you're doing in life, you can't do it without your health. You can't do it without your mental. You can't do it without anything. You need support. But the main support, the first support is yourself. Support yourself, take care of yourself, love yourself. Nobody's gonna love you like you love you. Nobody's gonna take care of you like you take care of you. You know what I'm saying? My mom loved me, but she don't love me like I love me. Yeah, my girl, my baby, my whatever. Nobody's gonna love me like I love me. So always take care of you, and remember, you gotta put you first sometimes. I know I look terrible, I feel terrible, I sound terrible. I've been spitting and sniffing and gargling all day. That sounds a little weird. I got some water here, so when we stop, I'm gonna be a little safer than I'm being now, because where I'm based. But when we stop, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this Mucinex Extra Strength and pray for the best. That's where we at this point. I'm just gonna pray for the best, man. Not feeling it at all. Like I said, Mucinex, Sinus Max. Gotta make sure. Yeah, there we go. Zoom in a little bit so y'all can see my hammer-ness. Oh my. Alright, read the instructions because I don't want no kidney failure now. More than 12 tablet capsules. Okay, so liver warning, damage may occur if more than 12 capsules within 24 hours, which maximum daily amount with the drug contains acetaminophen, 3 or more alcohol drinks daily while using this. So don't do that, okay. Prescribed or non. Whew. It's been about 4 hours since I've taken the Mucinex. I don't want to go over like 1,600 milligrams. This one is, my first one I took was like 600. This one, milligram wise, is 3, so I'm at 9, and then I took Robitussin. I'm gonna put that one at 350. I'm at 12. So these two probably gonna be my last. Yeah, these two probably be my last for the day. And then when I get home, just hot showers, hot tea, and then I'm just gonna hope from the best after that one. Hot showers, hot tea. Fuck it. Oh, I hate spending money. For all my active duty soldiers, man, if y'all really need to take care of yourself, there's over 30 medications you can go pick up at the pharmacy over the counter. I just didn't do it because I'm lazy, scanning my ID, waiting at the table to tell them what I need, then to sit down for them to get my order. It's gonna take 30 to 40 minutes. I'm trying to be home in the next 30 to 40 minutes, so that's why I didn't do it. Don't be me, don't be lazy. Tell your leadership you need to take care of yourself. Just give you a day, and you can get so much done in a day, guys, I promise you. Alright, I'm a pill popping animal, so give me a sec. I got my pills. Boom. Ready? Y'all ready for actually, let me this is automatic mode. I'm gonna show y'all TV mode. TV mode is so much better. TV mode, I think it's better. Y'all let me know, but I think TV mode is better. I'm so bad at swallowing pills, bro. It can't just be me. I'm so bad. Ugh.
Six hours later.
Well, I'm home. That's it. Like I said, car sounds great. It's a little quiet. I don't really like it, but it's the right thing to do. That disgusting little loud stuff, not controlled all the time, can get annoying to other people, to include myself. So be smart. Look, you know, care about others around you. And then in the future, I'll spend the bucks. If I want like Corsa Rally, Borla, you know, if I want, yeah, Corsa exhaust, Borla, stuff like that, then I'll spend the money to get it. But until next time, guys, thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I don't feel good. Having a sharp pain. My belly button down to my groin. I think I'm dying. I love y'all. I'll see you later. Peace.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Tell her that I'm feeling